Hello and welcome to AFM 4451. In this video, we examine the role of data analytics in auditing and assurance services. First, audit analytics enhances professional judgment. It does not replace judgment, it sharpens it. By identifying patterns, outliers, and relationships across large data sets, analytics direct the auditor's attention to areas of heightened risk and supports more informed conclusions. Analytics also shift judgment from manual sampling to data selection and interpretation. The auditor's focus moves upstream. Instead of choosing a small sample, the practitioner now designs queries, defines filters, and interprets trends. The quality of audit increasingly depends on how intelligently the data is extracted and analyzed. Next, analytics allows auditing of full data population. Rather than testing, let's say, 25 or 30 invoices, the auditor can now evaluate 100% of the transactions. This increases the coverage and reduces the risk of overlooking systematic issues embedded in the data. Anomalies also require professional judgment for interpretation though. An unusual spike in revenue or a cluster of weekend journal entries may signal fraud, error, or legitimate business activity. Analytics highlight the anomaly, the auditor determines its significance. More data requires deeper scrutiny, not automated assurance. Larger volumes can create a false sense of comfort. Poorly structured data, incomplete fields, or even inconsistent coding can distort our results. Hence, data integrity and context remain critical. And lastly, analytics must integrate with business understanding. Numbers alone are insufficient. Effective analytics combine transactional level data with the knowledge of industry trends, operational processes, and of course, the auditee's strategic objectives. In essence, audit data analytics amplifies the analytical reach of the auditors, turning us into investigators who must interpret complex data landscape to identify trends, anomalies, weaknesses, deficiencies, etc. They guide the audit by making informed judgment calls shaped by data analytics. The tools change the audit environment but do not diminish the need for skilled, skeptical, insightful audit professionals. Audit analytics hold the potential to revolutionize audits by expanding capabilities and insights. However, it also reinforces the centrality of professional judgment, elevating the auditor's role in interpreting data to deliver meaningful audit outcomes. Let's say an auditor examines a multinational retailer with millions of daily point-of-sale transactions. Instead of sampling revenue entries, the audit team now integrates sales data, employee access logs, geolocation timestamps, and of course inventory movements during specific shift changes. This will help us correlate those refunds when employee badge swipes and after-hour system access. Further analysis could reveal coordinated refund patterns tied to dormant customer accounts or inventory shrinkage anomalies, etc. No single transaction appears material, however, across thousands of entries, the pattern may signal a collusive fraud scheme embedded within routine operations. Traditional sampling would likely miss this. Data analytics uncovers the network of small, repetitive irregularities and transforms how risk can be identified. That is the power of analytics in modern auditing. Thanks for following along. Take care, stay safe, and bye for now.